Alright guys, so today we are going to be unboxing and installing a Springer seat on my 2006 Harley Sportster. So we're going to do a little bit of unboxing for my new seat that just came in. So let's take a look. Cool. Alright, so we're going to start with the P-pad. I opted for the brown leather because I like it. I like that look. This has a great distressed finish. Oh, it's really nice. Feels really comfortable. I did opt for the gel, by the way, because I have a little one who might be going for rides with me, and I want to make it enjoyable for her and less complaining. So if I can do that, cool. And then who doesn't like a soft, cushiony ass? Nice solid hardware. Cool, it's got the lift for the box. Nice. Look at that. That's a nice, beautiful seat. Wow. Wow. This feels much better than I thought. Nice and solid. Bottom's nice hard leather. Got a nice shape to it. And grand finale. I don't like riding with a backpack. And I don't want to have to worry about not carrying stuff when I need to, especially a little jacket for my little one. So this is going to be perfect. This will mount just right on the swing arm. Look great. All right, let's get to getting. See how it goes. Start with the basics. Take the seat off. One screw. Pretty straightforward. Alright. I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. So I got the springs on, and the trick that I did was I put the washer on the bottom, and the washer, and then the spring on, and then the washer on top of the spring. Then I took a little electrical screwdriver that I have a Klein, and I just barely stabbed the top insert of the nut just so I can get enough bite in the plastic thread, and I went straight down into the top, and then I just barely threaded it on just a little bit, pulled my screwdriver out, used this. Got that done in about 2 minutes. switch the springs on bike first. I think I put my seat too soft. It'll be fun to figure this out for sure. Turn on. Turn right. Where should I stop? That'll be fun. Yep. That's it. And just so you guys can see what it would look like if I did maybe drill the holes, or I might not even have to after lining it up, which is also cool because I don't have to take the seat off if I do decide I want to put it on. I can still get to that screw and get to it. That back fin is going to get chopped and these bars are going to get swapped and that speedo gets swapped. It'll look all right though. Looks good. I'm happy with it. Get onto the bag now. All right, so after a little bit more review and investigating, actually it was super easy to put the P-pad on. I didn't have to drill anything, and I'm really happy with the way it looks. And it's super comfy. Also highly recommend upgrading to the gel. I already took it for a ride, and let me tell you, it's way more comfortable than it feels out of the box and looks. Once you put your weight on it, it's real nice.